It's Friday, so it's time for a life hack to kick off the weekend that's going to save you time and money and make your life simple. Okay, coffee grounds. They're fantastic. Use them to make coffee, but there's several uses that are very practical around the house that will save you time and money. So one thing is that if you have a garden, basically if you sprinkle some grounds around your plants, it will keep ants and slugs away from your garden. So that's a fantastic use. Another great use for coffee grounds is taking the stink off of your hands. So let's say, for example, you cut up some garlic or some onions. It is impossible to take that smell off your hands. Well, coffee grounds will do it. Just keep a little bowl near your sink, take a little bit of dried coffee grounds, and just scrub them all over your hands, and then simply rinse it off, and voila. Your hands will no longer be smelling like garlic cloves or onions. It will actually neutralize it. Another thing that coffee grounds can do, talking about neutralizing, is you can use this like baking soda for taking the smell out of your fridge. Very similar as what baking soda does. So you just leave it right in there, and eventually it will take away all those bad smells. If you want more information on what coffee grounds can do to make your life simple, just head to my blog at smartshopperdaphne.com. I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.